Hi everyone. So the 4th of July is coming up next week already. I can't believe it. June has just flown by. I'm thinking of doing a few fun recipes for the 4th, and one of the ones that I found on Pinterest and I wanted to try is for a sort of healthy popsicle that is red, white, and blue. It's strawberry, blueberry, and Greek yogurt, so it should be pretty straightforward to make, and it should also be a healthier choice than just kind of like the store-bought popsicles. So I thought I would give that a go. So let's go ahead and get started. For this recipe, you will need your popsicle molds, or you can just use cups and popsicle sticks. Some Greek non-fat yogurt, plain, or I mean anything up to 2%, that should be fine. Then strawberries, blueberries, and sugar. The first thing we're going to do is measure out and cut up 3/4 of a cup of strawberries. Next, we're going to measure out 3/4 of a cup of the blueberries. So we have our 2 bowls of fruit, and in each one I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. And in each of these you can use a food processor or you can just use a fork, and what you're going to do is you're going to mash it all together and make 2 fruit mixtures. So I'm going to start with my blueberries. To do is measure out about 1/2 cup of the Greek yogurt. And to this I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar and mix it together. Alright, so it's time to fill our popsicle molds. So we're going to just start with the strawberries, then the yogurt, then the blueberries, and we're going to kind of alternate the different mixtures all the way up until these are filled. This is what they're looking like from the side. That kind of yogurt on the edges, but yeah. So that is what the layers look like. I'm going to stick these in the freezer for several hours or overnight.